Welcome to New Day Property Redevelopers. Today, we'll be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of investing in multifamily properties. First, let's look at the advantages. Higher rental income is the main reason real estate investors choose multifamily properties as a real estate investment. The fact that an investor can purchase a rental property that has multiple units with each one of them generating a monthly rental income makes it a very desirable investment. Compare that to single-family homes where a real estate investor has only one source of rental income from one tenant. This makes multifamily properties a safer investment in terms of constant cash flow from multiple sources. Less vacancy issues is another advantage of investing in multifamily properties. It is possible to have vacancies in multifamily properties, but it's definitely less costly and less frequent than vacancies in single-family homes. If one of the units is vacant for a month or two, the landlord will still be collecting rental income from the other units that are being rented. Single-family property owners don't have that luxury, and having a vacancy basically means that their rental income goes to zero until a new tenant is found. Controlling property value is another advantage of investing in multifamily properties. With a multifamily property, the landlord has the ability to increase the value of the income property in their own hands. The fact that these types of real estate properties are valued based on the rental income they generate makes real estate investors become more motivated to get the maximum income from their property. The future valuation of the real estate property rests totally on the hard work and creativity of the investor. For instance, adding a swimming pool, upgrading or adding a laundry room, updating appliances, or updating the landscape and outdoor signage are some ways to increase the multifamily value. Single-family homes are subject to economic factors in the valuation process, such as what other single-family homes are selling for in the area or the property values of other single-family homes in the area. The disadvantage of owning a multifamily property is single-family properties are more affordable, making multifamily properties less affordable. In general, the prices of single-family homes are cheaper than those of multifamily properties, simply because of the size. All else being equal, like the city, the neighborhood, the age, the quality, the attractions, and the infrastructure. This means that they are more affordable. It's easier to buy a single-family home than a multifamily property. It also means that you can start investing in single-family homes earlier in life, before you've saved a large amount of money and can obtain a bank loan with less difficulty. Another disadvantage of owning multifamily property is higher maintenance cost. Maintaining a single-family home is significantly cheaper than maintaining a multifamily property. The reasons are a couple. First, single-family homes are smaller, which means that there's less to maintain. You only need to paint a few rooms, fix one or two laundry machines, or unclog a couple of toilets. On the other hand, depending on the size of your multifamily property, you might end up with a very large amount of work, which can take a lot of money and time. Second, tenants at single-family homes tend to be neater and even take care of some of the needed repairs themselves. Which leads us to our third disadvantage of owning multifamily property, which is needing a property manager. Most single-family home landlords succeed in managing their rental property on their own, since it's smaller, because they deal with only one tenant and because maintenance is more manageable. This brings down the cost and eliminates the need to deal with the property manager along with their associated fees. In contrast, if you end up buying a multifamily property, you will almost definitely have to hire a professional property manager due to the size of the property, the number of tenants, and the always pending repairs. I hope you enjoyed our video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss our next video from New Day Property Developers.